फेस्टिवल के लिए। जो नवरात्रे आ रहे हैं और उसके बाद आने वाली है करवा चौथ, दिवाली, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल हैं जो कि लाइंड अप है। तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि आज लाइफ स्टाइल में आपको क्या क्या मिलने वाला है इन अपकमिंग फेस्टिवल पर पहनने के लिए, जो कि होगा एथनिक और ट्रेडिशनल।
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, oh. And time after time I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
गाइस, अभी मैं जा रही हूँ सेकंड फ्लोर पर, और इसी स्टोर के सेकंड फ्लोर पर जा रही हूँ मैं। वहाँ पर है एथनिक वियर, तो मैं उन्हें देखने जा रही थी। और नीचे वाले फ्लोर पर थे रेगुलर वियर्स होते हैं ना, वो थे जीन्स वगैरह, टी शर्ट, तो वो वाले क्लोथ थे। और ऊपर है एथनिक। और अभी मैं हूँ जेंट्स सेक्शन में, तो प्रशांत अपने लिए कुछ देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. The one that I can live without. Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to freeze, hearing small talk over the summer breeze. Out of safe songs, finding hidden caves, all the wet stones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. Listen to old songs in headphones. Don't wanna wake up tomorrow. I know a place, would you like to go? You love the view from up there, I know. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this. In the stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever.